Oh yeah, those are really nice peaches. California. Wow. Okay, chef here, and I got a simple dessert for you. Perfect ripe peach. Nice. We're going to use this very sharp knife. I'm going to cut around the peach like this. Okay, perfect. We're going to score the peach like this, ever so slightly. Okay, perfect. Now, we take the peach, pot of boiling water. Place the peach in the pot. I'll be back 3 minutes. Peach now gets placed into ice water. And at this point, we can peel the peach very easily. Use the tip of the knife, get under the skin. Skin comes right off. Okay, that peach is looking good. And at this point, I want to continue removing it from the pit, just like this. The first one. Second one. Fourth one. Okay, our quartered peach. I'm actually only going to use half. I use the two nicest pieces, two biggest pieces maybe, for this dessert. These two right here. Okay, I've got a very hot grill on a burner here. I'm going to put this peach face down like this. I just want to give it a little bit of color. Cooking the peach releases more natural sugars. It's going to make it sweeter. And wow, it's looking really good. Okay, I'm going to be plating up that peach on this plate here. I'm putting a touch of powdered sugar down, as well as a little bit of cocoa, just to create an effect on the plate. I've got my grilled peach right here. Grilled peach right here. Okay. I'm going to be adding just a pinch of vanilla bean infused in sugar. Okay? Just a pinch right there, like this. And then I'm going to be using one of the chef torches and give it just a little browning. It's going to be a Brulee peach. Yeah, wow, smells good. It is releasing the skin. It's popping up and it's browning right before your eyes there. I think I'll zoom in for you here. Okay, and the last step, I think 1 scoop right here. That's it. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. We'll call that peach brulee with cinnamon and vanilla. Out 4 or 6 of these, 8 of these in their drawer or cabinet. So that's it. That's the review. Thanks for watching. And this again is the most inexpensive quality paring knife. I like it. Just visit your sponsor, and your sponsor's got all these babies in stock. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and keep cooking. Yeah.